Portable lightweight. Designed for the mobile content creator on the go, the GorillaPod Mobile Vlogging Kit is a combination of 3 ideal products for creating impactful mobile video shoots. Flexibility built in. The GorillaPod Mobile Rig Base means you can grip it, wrap it, stand it, with landscape and portrait orientations for flexibility of use in any video situation. Crispy audio. Shoot indoors or outdoors with phone, camera-compatible Wavo Mobile Microphone, avoiding crowd noise, and with exceptional shock isolation thanks to the Rycote Lyre shock mount. Flawless light. Dimmable and Bluetooth-controlled Beamo Mini LED Light, for perfect skin tones with a color-accurate, Cree 95 plus or minus setup. Customizable. Add and remove components depending on the shoot. Just add your own creative flair to get outstanding result in any video situation. Top reviews from the United States. Great for vlogging. I was skeptical about getting this rig, but it's been proven to get the job done. It has helped me to up my video production. I would highly recommend buying this. The only negative I have is that I personally found it a little tricky trying to power on the light at first. I didn't know which button to press and how long to turn it on. I think the instructions should be a little clearer on that point. But once you figure it out, it is perfect.